Our project is on renewable energy. So renewable energy is energy from a resource that we won't run out of. Solar and wind power are two renewable energy sources, whereas energy coming from sources such as coal, oil, or natural gas is non-renewable. If we continue to use non-renewable resources as much as we do now, we're on track to run out of oil and gas in about 50 years and coal in about 100 years. And currently, only about 13% of our needs are provided by renewable energy sources. To increase our renewable energy uses, efficiency, energy transportation, and funding need to be brought into consideration. In terms of energy transportation, for example, we will need to increase our amount of transmission lines and distribution lines, which will require a lot of space and time. Two examples of renewable energy are solar and wind power, which both have the ability to generate much more power than humans need. For solar, in the process of generating solar power, electrons are broken away from their bonds and brought to flow through a circuit. The ability to use solar power, while it's getting more and more inexpensive, varies across the world. You need a place that's sunny enough for the panels to be efficient, but also space to put the solar panels. For wind power comes from wind turning a generator which conducts electricity, with a transition from the kinetic energy of the wind to rotational energy, then finally to electricity. A windy environment is necessary for wind turbines to be efficient in generating power. However, wind energy is the most efficient and cheap source of electricity.
This here is a simplified model of a wind turbine built by recyclable materials. This is to show how wind turbines can transform kinetic energy into rotational energy, which is used for household and industrial energy uses. Kinetic energy, as displayed by the fan, is captured by the wind turbine's blades, here displayed as a straw and some paper. Then it's converted into rotational energy as it spins down the axle, represented by the paper clip. This is a super simple model just to show a little bit how the wind turbine actually captures wind and makes it into energy through rotational energy.